And she is having number 6. Can you believe it? 6 puppies in such a small time. Let me just help her, yeah? It's a little stuck. So she's opening it up. Let me just get him. And there we get life. Come. His little brother will help in giving him a life, because I've got only one hand. Just turn him around a bit. Cleaning his nose up. Just need to clean his nose quickly. Let me just do this. Just checking. That's number 6. They all seem fine. I think that might be the last one. Can't guarantee that. We'll just see in a second. She's out of breath. That's it. Just check if he's breathing fine. Yep, he's breathing just fine. She's very rough with him, but I think she knows exactly what she's doing. I think she should be so rough with him, because that's how she gets them to be able to breathe when they're born. I want to show you guys. There's Diego sleeping way over there. Where's the little kittens? There they are. They are all perfect. Well, just to show you how quickly you can get 9 animals. That's if you're taking a mother cat, you're taking a rescue dog, and within 2 months you've got 9 animals extra. So you have to be quick, and it's an absolute pleasure to have them. But yeah, that shows you how quick things can happen whenever you start doing this. But yeah, they're beautiful. It's going to be amazing. This place is a bit of a mess. But yeah, look at that. Can you believe it? I still can't. Let me see if I can get. And the same with these ones. They were just so little the other day. And here they are. Just look at that. We go outside, yeah. Diego! Enzo key! The wind is blowing near us. There's Diego coming to say hi. Hello, Diego. He's so friendly, he just doesn't know there's so many new animals here. Yeah. Making these little noises. What's Enzo? So much wind here. He's just talking. Let's see, maybe he gets into the pool. Yep, there he goes. Stretching first because he just got up. I cleaned the pool out. I made a video of it. I haven't posted it yet. Sometimes my internet goes down, I can't upload a video, so I've got those videos. If you don't mind watching videos of 2 or 3 days ago, then I'll still upload it. I do have quite a few. Oh, you just had a drink of water, so every day I open the water for them on their shower, coming out of those trees over there, and the water drops down and they absolutely love it. Yeah. So that's how a tiger gets up in the morning. First thing he does, come and say hi. I don't know where Enzo is. It's probably there in the bushes somewhere. When these trees start growing, it's easy for them to camouflage themselves and you won't even see them. Right, we'll see. Maybe Enzo will come around the corner just now. Enzo-kie! Enzo! Diego is actually such a friendly tiger, but on his terms, of course. Kitten running downstairs towards him to go and say hi to him. There she is now. Yeah, all these animals living a very happy life. That little bird there, every day she sits there with a little worm in her mouth. Where is she now? There she is. And then when she flies off, then you just hear the little ones chirping away. She's just going to check everything is fine, while Diego is eating some trees over there. It's never a boring moment with these lot. Strange noise in the background. Immediately Diego goes in undercover. They're very careful whatever they do. Whenever they hear something strange, they will first go hide away for a few seconds while they check it out. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll post more videos. Try and make them better and better. But, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.